Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's class we will discuss 11, 12, 13 number question of exercise 6.3. So in question number 11 it is said that in figure 6.40 E is the point on the side BC on the side CB produced of an angle isosceles triangle ABC with the side AB equals to AC if AD perpendicular to BC and A perpendicular to AC, then we can say we can prove that triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. Okay, so triangle ABC is given and side ECB is produced to E and ABC is the isosceles triangle, and obviously if it is isosceles triangle, two sides will be equal, so these two sides is equal. And as these two sides is equal, we can say angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C. No? So in isosceles triangle, if the two sides is equal, corresponding two side angle also equal, and similarly vice versa, angle B and C if it is equal, then their opposite sides also equal. So we have to prove triangle ABD equals to triangle ECF. So to prove triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. Okay, so proof now. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF, condition number 1. So see here 90 degrees given. This one 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So in triangle ABD, if it is 90 degree, so this angle also 90 degree. So we can say angle ADB equals to an angle and triangle ECF, we can say CFE or EFC, whatever. So EFC, because each 90 degree. And condition number 2, angle B equals to angle C. Okay, so angle ECF, C angle is belong to this triangle and angle B is belong to angle ABD. So we can write angle ABD equals to angle ECF is given. Okay, so therefore by Anglican criteria we can say triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF by angle criteria. Okay, so this is proved. Next, come to question number 12. Side AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of PQR. See figure. So figure is not drawn, so we have to draw the figure. So next. So ABC and PQR and median is drawn here. So AD is the median and PM is the median here. Yes. So and given that, what is given? Given that AB AB and BC and median AD of triangle ABC. So these two, AB, BC and AD, these three things are proportional to which? PQ, QR and PM. Means AB proportional to PQ. So AB proportional to PQ equals to BC proportional to QR. So BC proportional to QR equals to AD proportional to PM. AD proportional to PM. It is given in the question. So to prove, what do you have to prove? To prove triangle ABC, similar to triangle PQR. Yes, so triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So proof. What do you have to prove? You have to prove this one. So in basically this proportional is given. So if we can find the three side of two triangle proportional to each other, then you can easily say they are similar triangle. But here see, AB, this side AB is proportional to PQ, side BC is proportional to QR. But if it is given, if it is given AC proportional to PR, then we can easily say the triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. But it is given AD is proportional to PM. Okay, so this is not useful here. So means we have to prove any three conditions. So either angle or angle side angle side side angle side, sorry, side angle side or side means three, if three sides is proportional to each other. So now if since D is the median, this is E, median of side BC, we can say BD equals to DC. Okay, and from that case we can say BD equals to 2BD equals to BC. This is whole one, BC is the whole one, and this part is equal. So you can say the doubling of BD, double of BD, twice of BD is equal to the BC. Yes, and again since M is the median of side of PQ, so you can say QM equals to MR. QM equals to MR, and from that case we can write 2QM equals to the whole side QR, whole side QR. Yes, M is the median of QR. Sorry, this is not PQ, QR. So now from AB by PQ and BC by QR, we can write AB by PQ and BC by QR. If we put the value of BC to be in the place of value BC, we do 2BD, and in the place of QR we can write 2QM. That means we are getting BD by QM. So means we get AB by, so hence we can write AB by PQ equals to BD by QM. Okay, BD by QM, AB by PQ and BD by QM. So we can, from that case we can write these two angles is equal. angle B equals to angle Q. If corresponding side is equal, then the angle between them is also if the corresponding sides are proportional, then we can say the angle between them is equal. So this condition and this condition says that triangle, so this is condition number 1 and this is condition number 2. From this two conditions you can conclude that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. By which criteria? By SAS rule. By SAS rule. When two sides are proportional of a triangle, the angle between them is equal. Next question number 13. D is a point on the side of a triangle BC. Okay. So D is the point on the side of BC. So here will be B. Okay. So now you have to draw a line. Okay. This is, so now now so D is the point here. Triangle ABC says that ADC, this angle is equal to BAC, this angle BAC, so that CA square equals to CB into CD. Okay, so this is a little bit curious, this is a little bit dangerous for the student, because what is that, ma'am? CA square equals to CB into CD, how can we prove that? So don't need to scared about this math. So let us come to this rough space. This is rough space. Don't write in front the answer sheet. So answer this area. So CA square equals to CB into CD. So let us calculate back calculation. This is called CA square. We can write CA into say CA, and this is CB into CD. Clear? So we can know how to multiply diagonally. Diagonally multiplication in simple equation we know. So we can write CA by CD equals to CB by CA. Okay, so we can write CA by CD equals to CB by CA. So some student says, ma'am, why we can write CA by CB, that one? Yes, we can write CA by CB. So if you write this one, means if you want to bring CB, so CA by CB and CD by CA. Okay, so is there any difference? Is there any difference? No. CA by CD is there. Yes, CD by, only reciprocal. Nothing is there. So why we did this? Why we did this back calculation? Because we have to understand. So what we have to do? Okay. So means by to see this observation, to see these sums, we can say CA is the side of the triangle, this one, and CD is this one, and CB is the whole side, whole triangle, part of whole triangle, and CA is the part of whole triangle. Means here it is proportional between the part of whole triangle, and here it is proportional between a whole triangle and the one and another small triangle. It is between two side of the entire triangle, and here CA is the part of entire triangle and CD is the part of the small triangle, that is ACD. So basically we have to prove triangle ACD similar to triangle ABC. These three things we have to prove. So in triangle ACD, we can say ACD angle C is common for ACD and ABC. common angle you can write. Common angle. And angle 2, what can I say about angle 2? Angle 2, see, in ACD, D angle, this is given, this was given, angle D equals to angle A. In the for ACD, we can write angle ADC equals to angle BAC for the whole triangle, and this is equal to each other. So we can say it is given. It is given. So we can say triangle ACD similar to triangle ABC by which rule? By angle rule. Okay, hence it is okay. Not it is not proved. So if we prove this one, so we can write CA, the whole triangle CA, portion part of whole triangle CA by CD equals to the whole triangle CB, part of whole triangle CB is equals to CA, because CA is a part of triangle ACD. So if we multiply them, so we get CA square equals to CB into CD, and hence proved. So I hope you understand question number 13, and thank you. So till then, keep practice and